Since the beginning of time, nowhere have we found the abundance and complexity of forms of life that we have here on Earth. Because we cherish life, Altasciences supports full-service early-phase drug development, including preclinical safety testing, clinical pharmacology, bioanalysis, and research services vital to developing new drugs that preserve and enhance human life.
The quality of our data is one of the items that have differentiated our company over the years. Our clients know they can trust. They can trust our staff, they can trust our data, they can trust our accountability.
With facilities in the United States and Canada, Altasciences conducts comprehensive testing to support both small and large molecule drug development, offering an end-to-end solution from lead candidate selection to proof of concept.
Altasciences is one of the few companies that really understands the similarities between the preclinical business and the clinical business, and there's real interchangeability between the operations of both of those sides of drug development.
Our unique structure includes a management team and scientists with extensive experience in both the preclinical and clinical space.
Our objective is to have the full service offering. And if there would be something out there that we do not offer, making sure that we have the links to find it.
Altasciences' preclinical safety testing facility is dedicated to GLP and non-GLP toxicology testing in all species, including rodents and non-rodents.
We have the absolute best team to be able to ensure that the animal health and well-being is number one.
Because every life is important, our modern facilities include 400 beds for short or long-term stays, where we complete hundreds of clinical pharmacology studies annually in healthy normal volunteers and patient populations. Altasciences' team of over 100 scientists use the latest techniques and equipment to take your molecules from discovery to phase 4.
The number one item that sets us apart from the competition is our drive for scientific excellence.
Our research services include program management, medical writing, biostatistics, and data management, all tailored to your specific requirements.
Every move that we make will be in support of our ability to allow clients to take their molecule from lead candidate selection to proof of concept quicker. And what that means is it allows us to bring medicines to help improve the lives of people around the world faster.
Altasciences, scientifically driven, flexible, responsive, and life-embracing.
The clients keep coming back to Altasciences for a number of different reasons. We spend a lot of time relationship building, listening, helping. They feel that we are an adjunct to their own company. And I also think we bring extremely good science and study oversight to the studies.
Moving in unison to deliver big impact with a personal touch. We're Altasciences.